Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have a mascara review on the new Maybelline the Falsies Surreal. Now the Falsies, I've tried the lash lift one. I'll put a little bing up here of my review. I actually got a lash lift and compared it to the actual lash lift mascara, because you can't claim it's like a lash lift unless you compare it to a legit lash lift. So I did that video. So now I don't even know what the brush of this looks like. I just saw this and I was like, okay, cool, I have to copy it. So as of today's Wednesday the 22nd, it's now on a star buy at Superdrug for $9.99. Buy one get second half price if you're interested, if you like it. I don't even know how it's going to look like, but it is $9.99. It's part of the Falsies range. I've got the little description here. This is from the actual Maybelline website. So this is the Falsies Surreal Extensions Mascara. Extends your lash reality with plus 36% length and surreal impact with 10 times volume. Up to 24-hour wear, vegan formula, no animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. It says introducing its hybrid fiber technology, a mix of fibers of different sizes up to 3mm, and its extended helix brush, which loads lashes from root to tip with surreal impact. Up to 24-hour wear, this extensions mascara is clump resistant as well as smudge, flake and smear resistant. Suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Now, the unfortunate thing about this is that it's not waterproof, and again, I'm not sure, I don't think many people have seen my review videos unless you actually watch my channel properly, but my lashes really straight. This eye might be a little bit wonky because I sleep on this side, but my eyelashes are slightly long, but just very dead straight. I just have really dead straight lashes. So I have to curl my lashes really well, if not really well, like 90 degrees. Sometimes that's the only way it's going to stay up, if it's like that. But it will not hold unless it's waterproof. And I've noticed that it just waterproof holds my lashes amazingly. Now, I'm not wearing makeup at the moment because realistically, when I do a mascara video, I will put makeup on and then do my mascara. But comparing to the last mascara review that I did, I can pop that up there as well. It was the Telescopic Lift by L'Oreal. Oh, awful. And that I had to remove my mascara and then put a new one on before I went out. And that was really difficult because I'm going out after this. So I'm going to do it without makeup. If I like it, I'll keep it on. So let me get into it. The brush, dun, 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 dun. I don't know what it looks like. Okay. She's a hefty one. She looks nice. So it's a bristle brush. It's not one of those plasticky brushes. I prefer bristle brushes, to be honest. Okay, she looks big. The teeth look quite separated, which is nice. So I can imagine a nice separating look. That's quite exciting. So this is the best I'm going to get. So I'm just going to go in with the mascara. Right. I like big brushes though, don't get me wrong. But I have to be so careful. I'm really clumsy. Now, within the first 30 seconds of applying this, I can tell whether or not it's going to be a banger or not. Right now, I'm getting it all over my eyelid, which is okay. I can clean that up. But I just want to see if it holds my curl, because if the curl starts going back to straight again after applying a mascara, it's like, it's a flop. Right, so right now it's looking okay. It's very light, like the formula is very light. The mascara's not coming on like that, like clumpy. Some mascaras really clump super quick. I think because of this type of brush, it's not that kind of mascara, which is nice. But people who like to build up their mascara, it might take you a while. Again, depends on your lashes. So what I'm seeing right now, I see just on the inner corner part here, the curl is slightly deflating. So you can see from the side here. As you can see here, it still looks quite curled, but it's not as curly as it was when I first curled my lashes. So it's slowly making its way down. So now it's slightly dry. I'm going to do another coat. Let's see how that goes. I do wipe the tip off on here because I don't want too much product on the end of that. Right, so now this is my second layer while the mascara has slightly dried. Right, what I'm going to say is, if you look now, the curl has gone. It makes my lashes look funky, but let me tell you something, this is just how my lashes are. If it was waterproof, I think this would have been a fantastic mascara. In my opinion, it does look a little bit hodgepodge, don't get me wrong, my lashes are like everywhere because that's just like how they are, but I think if this was a waterproof mascara, I think it would work super well with my lashes. It's just unfortunate that it's not, but looking at it and the results that I'm actually getting, I like the way it looks. Now, although it doesn't work for me and my eyelashes, I can tell that I think it would work better on other people's lashes who have naturally just like a graceful lift of their lashes. I think it would look beautiful. It doesn't clump, not super clumpy. I like my lashes out there, so I usually have like a couple strands. Is not clumpy, but it's just how I like it. So to me personally, I actually like this mascara. It's just that it doesn't hold up my curl. So if they make a waterproof version of this, 100% I'm gonna cop, 100%. Just by one eye you can already tell how it looks. So I'm gonna do my other eye and I'm gonna get straight into it just to show you what both eyes look, but just from the one eye I can tell how it is. It doesn't hold up my curl as much. You can still see it, it's just not as lifted as it was when I curled my eyelashes. So I'm gonna do the other one quickly. Right, this is my better eye. I feel like everyone has a better eye where mascara looks better on, or what, you know, anything, better eyebrow, better eye. This is my better eye. The curl didn't last as long on that one, if you can see the two. And I curled them for both the same time. The curl did not last any good on that one. It's a shame. My lashes look the best on this eye. I've got the most neatest lashes on this eye. And mascara just looks so good on this eye, but this one, it is not, she is not having it. No, that's unfortunate. So as you can see, so that's just one layer. I'm gonna wait a little bit, let it dry, and then I'm gonna apply another one. I don't think applying another one is gonna make any of difference. It is so unfortunate. Look how dead straight my eyelashes are. And if I look up, I'm sorry, but to me, if this was like this, it would look really nice. I think my lashes look really nice. It's just really unfortunate that it does not hold a curl. It's so straight. That's so sad. Anyways, I think it would have been a good mascara if it held a curl. So I think for all my straight eyelashes girls, the girls that have to curl their lashes to have mascara, maybe wait for a waterproof one, because I feel like this is gonna bang, and it will bang for people who have amazing eyelashes already. I think me, this is how I like my mascara. Like, honestly, if my eyelashes just stayed up a little bit, I think they would look so much better. Honestly, I think it would look amazing. It's just very unfortunate. So realistically, it is a short and sweet one. I knew I didn't have to put on makeup because I can't go out looking like that, unfortunately. This is not looking cute. But short and sweet, just to sum it up overall, I think, again, if you don't have to worry about curling your lashes, you have naturally curly lashes or just lifted lashes, God bless you and lucky you. But this would be amazing for you. I think so, because I think the brush is nice, it's smooth, it doesn't clump up. I thought it was clumping up, but maybe because my lashes are so straight, it's not, I don't know, it's not making sense. So I think it's a really nice mascara. I think it would give you a nice volume and a lift effect, but it's just not for me. I'll wait for the waterproof one though. When the waterproof one comes out, maybe I'll give it a go and see if it's any different. But for me personally, it's not working for my eyelashes. So yeah, that's my review. Short and sweet. Although it doesn't work for me, I think it will definitely work for other people. Like, I think this is a beautiful mascara, just not for me. Not paid, not advertised, and not a fake review. I've always been real with my reviews. So yeah, it's a bit unfortunate, but it's okay. And maybe I'll give this to someone whose lashes will love this. So yeah, that is my review. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and let me know if there's something you want to see. I love doing a good review video. They're like my favorite things to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.